Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sofie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. I will be showing you guys how I achieved this really simple halo liquid liner look. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set everything in place with some translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using my Violet Voss Coral Crush palette, and I'm going into this light orange shade right here, and this is going to be our transition color. And I'm just applying this in my crease and winging out that outer corner. We are going to be doing a cat eye shape today, so I'm just laying down this first shade. Next up, I'm going into this shade right here called Reef with my angled brush, and I'm just going to be applying a line of definition right smack in the middle of my crease, and once again winging out that outer corner for that cat eye shape. To blend out that line of definition, I'm going into my small tapered brush, and I'm just going in left and right motions with our first transition color. And this is just going to make everything nice and blended and also give us a really nice gradient in the crease. If you're a beginner, I highly recommend trying this technique. It's a little bit easier and there's a lot of definition with this technique, so I love it. Next, I'm going back into that concealer with my angled brush, and I'm just carving my lid and also applying this all over my lid as a base, and then of course setting it in place with some translucent powder so that way it doesn't transfer up into the crease. Next up, I'm going into one of my favorite products of all time. I'm picking up my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13, and I'm just applying this all over my lid, and then I'm going back into our Violet Voss palette, and I'm going into this really small compact brush and going into our first transition color, and I'm just starting to apply that to the inner and outer corners, focusing that on the very inner and outer edge, and then just doing dragging inward motions to blend it into that lid shade. Next up, I'm picking up this really small pencil brush, and I'm going back into that Reef shade and once again applying this to the very inner and outer corner. This is just going to add a lot of dimension to this look, and it really makes a huge difference. Next, I'm applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills Flower Child glitter to the center of my lid, and then I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills black liquid liner and just drawing my wing and then peeling off my tape. For lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sofie Bella Bali lashes, and then for my waterline, I'm going into my Urban Decay liner in the shade Double Life. And then for my lower lash line, I'm just going back into that first transition color, and then I'm going into a cranberry shade with this angled brush and just applying that to the outer corner of my lash line, which I forgot to record. And then I'm just grabbing my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara and coating my lower lashes. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be going into my Pixie Beauty Subtle Sunrise highlight. And this is the finished look right here. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!